So, good morning, Chitra, and welcome to my channel Garg Gurukul.
Thank
Okay. So, Chitra, first of all, congratulations, ki you have cleared the CDS in first attempt, and
you.
as we know that as we know that CDS is for OTA, so you have cleared for OTA, and the written exam you have cleared, and in your first attempt you have cleared. So, first thing is I mean, how are you feeling? Like you have cleared the OTA like CDS exam in first attempt?
Yes, sir. It's a really nice feeling. I was not expecting till the result came
Okay.
because my GK part was not so good. So I wasn't
Okay.
expected that I clear it in first attempt. But when I
Okay.
get to see the results, I was like very happy to see that I have cleared it.
Chalo, good. Okay. So, Chitra, we'll just go through some questions and we will try to discuss with you how an aspirant who is willing to give or who is trying to give CDS to 2021. So, how he or
Yes,
she will, can attempt the exam and clear it in first attempt as you have. Okay. So first of all,
yes.
Chitra, like what is your background? I just wanted to know your background, like आपने schooling कहाँ से की and if you are a graduate, so आपने graduation कहाँ से की?
Okay. So, sir, currently I am pursuing my graduation from Lady
Okay.
Irwin College. I am in my final year from BSc Food Technology,
Okay.
and like I have done my 10th from Masonic Public School, Vasant
Okay.
Kunj,
Okay.
and I have done my 11th 12th from DAV Public School from Vasant Kunj
Okay. Okay.
with
Great. Good.
science
Great.
stream.
With science stream.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Great. So like in your 10th and 12th also you were like kind of a studious person or like you used to read a lot about like you a like a studious person?
Yes, sir.
Getting 1, 2, 3 ranks in your school and all that.
Yes, sir. From very starting, I'm like that only.
Ah, like that. Okay. Anyway, so you are a graduate and you are doing your graduation in food technology. That's what you said.
Yes, sir. Like I'm in my final year. In May, it will be completed. My college
Okay,
will
you
be
are in your
completed.
final year. Okay, yes. So how did you come to know about this CDS and how you have decided to go for armed forces?
Okay. So, sir, since early time it was not decided that I will go to defense sector.
Okay,
In my graduation only, I was like searching for job opportunities, government
okay,
job opportunities that are good for girls, the fields
okay,
which in which I should go. So in
okay,
that I found these jobs like for FCAT, ground duty officer, for which I am eligible,
correct.
and CDS, OTA, and bank jobs and many other. So among them,
Okay,
I find this job,
okay,
and for all of us, it's a very prestigious job
correct.
that uniform pride. So I decided to start preparation for these defense exams. And
ठीक है.
moreover, background also from my maternal side, there are few members who are in these defense sector through CDS and all. So I talk to them regarding how their lifestyle and
Okay.
how they feel. So then I get motivated about it, and I
Okay.
should go into it.
Okay, great. So you mentioned apart from CDS also you have appeared in different exams. So what all exams you have appeared or cleared apart from that?
Oh, sir, actually, I have not appeared like
Okay,
on only in this year. I have started preparation because in most of the exams they require graduation.
okay,
So I'm in my final year only. So this time only I have started appearing. I just have
okay,
given FCAT and CDS.
okay,
FCAT, but unfortunately this time it wasn't cleared because
okay.
I'm a bit weak at maths, and
Oh,
this
okay,
time maths I was not able to clear. Uh,
okay.
and I have given CDS and FCAT only, and CDS it got cleared, but FCAT
Okay.
was not cleared.
No
Yes,
problem. So
sir.
you have cleared CDS because in CDS for girls it is OTA and OTA we don't have maths. We have just English and GK section. So your weakness worked as your strength for that CDS exam.
Yes, sir. I'm not that much weak at maths, but like I have a fear of maths.
Uh,
I'm not able to when under pressure. So
uh,
I wasn't good at that. So it's good for me that there was no maths in CDS. So it
okay.
was easy for me to clear it.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay, no problem. So, okay, so directly let's come to the CDS exam. And as I mentioned that, as I mentioned that in CDS we have English and GK. Okay. So like when you came to know about this exam that CDS is there, and then you must have searched for female it is OTA, and I just have to give English and GK. Okay, so this all information you must have collected.
Yes, sir.
So I want to know after that, like how did did you write it down on your pen and paper at okay, this much time I have, and this is how will I prepare, and like this books, how did you start your preparation basically?
Okay. So, sir, frankly speaking, like CDS was my second priority when I
Okay,
wanted to give FCAT exam. So
okay,
I have started preparation for my FCAT exam only.
okay,
Like English is common in both CDS and FCAT. So I
okay,
thought that prepare English for FCAT, I will be preparing for CDS too. The
okay,
GK part is different because in FCAT it is more static GK, direct
correct,
questions are asked. But in CDS, as it is being conducted by UPSC, they ask more into concept as why something happened, the reason behind that. So GK part was different for both. But
correct,
when I was preparing for FCAT, English was prepared for CDS as well. And
okay,
for GK part, I saw the previous year questions for CDS,
okay,
and with FCAT preparation for GK, I was not able to solve those questions that were in CDS. Means
okay,
most of them were very different kind of from FCAT. So I
okay,
started thinking that I should prepare the GS part, like in which biology, chemistry, these type of questions come, and my current affairs part, because
okay,
I don't have much time that time, because I have to study for my college too, and FCAT and CDS, all of them I cannot prepare at that time because I have hardly 3 months left for the exam.
okay, okay,
So I thought that I should prepare English very well, as
okay,
it's required in both FCAT and CDS. And for GK part, I have done current affairs properly, and the GS part, as it was strong for me because I am from science background. So
correct,
I was able to solve all the GS questions, English questions, and the current affairs part in CDS. That's what made me clear OT exam.
okay,
I haven't prepared much for history because it was too deep. Now I will
hmm,
prepare if I give it for the second time, because that
okay.
time I don't have much time left to prepare for GK.
Correct. So as you said that approximately 3 months were remaining for your preparation. So you must have started in your preparation at approximately October and your November first week, like that. November, December, January, you had like
Yes, sir.
that. Okay,
Sir,
okay.
because
So
I must have started earlier, but that time my college exams were going on, so I was not able to start the preparation. And
okay,
I have just started giving exam like FCAT and all. I
correct,
have given for the first time. So first
correct.
I have to know all about it. Like it's not just I start anything. First I found many YouTube channels, as I
Correct.
don't have taken any coaching.
Okay,
So I have first searched on from where should I study, authentic sources. Then
correct.
I have made a proper strategy, like I will complete GS first or I will do maths first, how to
Hmm.
prepare and all. 1 month is almost gone in all this preparation strategy and all.
Okay,
Then only I have started. So I could not prepare GK for serious. I had just given I have main focused on like current affairs, GS part,
okay.
geography. I
So
have strong geography on that part only.
okay, okay, okay. So basically, what I can summarize from your strategy and what thing is, what were your strengths? You focused on your strengths and you tried to make them better as per the exam. That is the basic
Yes,
thing because you had very less
yes, sir.
time.
Yes, sir. I should have prepared for GK also, because it's not always like I can clear the exam without focusing on my GK part. But that time I have made this strategy, because if I have no time to prepare for GK, then I should focus on the part which I can prepare, and should prepare it very well, that so that I can attempt all questions from that part.
Correct, correct, correct. This is also a good strategy, and lot this strategy works for a lot of candidates. That if you are good at something, you prepare it very well. That if 20 questions are coming from that, 18 you are able to answer. Okay, because if you go for your weak section, then even if you are preparing, you're giving a lot of time over there. Out of 10, you will be mostly able to solve two or three only. So instead of solving that two or three, focus on your strengths and make it better so that from that section, if any questions comes, that is in your hands. That is your sure of, like
Yes,
that.
sir. Like sir,
Correct?
this time too, when I did the exam, I
Hmm.
attempted all English. That was quite easy. Mainly
Okay.
the problem appears in synonyms like can come. But this time it was not that much difficult. And others part I have prepared very well for English. So
Okay.
almost I have attempted every question of English. So as per I'm expecting, due to that only I have increased my score in OTA. And for GK part, like I have attempted current affairs question properly. Only
Okay.
2-3 were left that I didn't know.
So
And
yeah, so we'll
PS part of
we'll come in that little bit in detail. We'll start with English and then we'll start with GK. So first question, I think you have already mentioned that you did not take any coaching. You have cleared it yourself. It is a self study.
yes, sir.
Okay. So if we remove that coaching part, so to know about the exam, what all type, from what subjects the question would be asked. That is easy. Okay, but from where to study and how to study. So, what all websites did you visit, or what all YouTube channels did you visit? Like, what was the? I mean, if you have anything in your mind that this was the dedicated YouTube channel or this was a dedicated website which you are visiting daily, to get the content or to know how to prepare like that.
Yes, sir. Sir, earlier I had searched through many videos and all, like how to start the preparation, how should I study for that. So after that, I found 2-3 YouTube channels. Like one is
Okay.
Wi-Fi Study.
Okay.
There I had prepared for maths part. There is maths by Sahil sir. Means it was
Okay.
not proper for FCAT, but the level is same. Like for many exams, the maths is
You
nearly
get an
same.
idea from there.
Yes, sir. Like he teaches very well, Sahil sir, on the Wi-Fi study. The concepts got really clear, mind concepts. So I studied maths from there. And for GK part also on Wi-Fi study, there was Gunesh sir. He taught history, geography, and everything there. And there is one more challenge, Defense Adda. There they I have studied maths from there also, because there it was particularly for FCAT. Like on from Wi-Fi study, I had prepared GK and all for other exams. They don't specifically teach for defense part,
Got
but
it.
from there only FCAT part was also very similar. So I was
Okay.
able to do from there only.
Okay.
And for English, like I have few books also. For English, I have SP Bakshi to clear
Okay.
my concepts. And for that CDS, I have no book. I have just bought Arihant previous year question papers to get
Okay.
an idea. Like for studying for FCAT exam, am I able to solve the questions for CDS to just get an idea about how is the English
Okay.
level and all.
That's
Study
great.
previous year. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this previous year thing. So I think this
Yes, sir.
previous year thing you must have done in the initial part that let me see how many questions I am able to solve like that. You bought that book and you were able to see your, I would say, at what level you are right now, and that is how you can prepare.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
So
Okay.
actually,
And
I have
yes,
the
yes, go
exam
ahead.
also to know like what are my weaknesses and strength. Like first time I was just giving for an experience, like how
Got it.
will I score, how should I prepare, but it got cleared.
It got
So
cleared.
I was
Yes.
like,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. It happens sometimes. It gets clear in the first time itself. And a lot of
Yes,
candidates, they keep on trying, but it's not clear. And that is why the strategy comes, because as you said in the GK, if you are going in very deep in one particular subject, then you will be able to solve two to three questions and you will be leaving all others. Okay, so the strategy should be
like
balanced. That correct. Mm,
it is very vast actually. I
correct.
started sometimes like I look into history and all, but
Okay,
it has no end. It was so much to study. So I thought
correct.
that I will waste time on that only. I should prepare
Mm,
for other sections because I have to prepare for FCAT too. So I left
correct.
that GK part, history and all, politics,
Okay.
geography.
Okay.
The knowledge that I have from FCAT GK study part, that I
Okay.
use there. Like economics is not a subject in FCAT that is asked in GK part. I
Correct.
haven't prepared for economics and this time in
Okay.
CDS, there were 10, 12 questions, I think, from economics. And I
From
was very
economics.
afraid, like, I haven't
Okay.
prepared at all.
Okay.
But I just solved it from my normal knowledge, like what I have studied till 10th and all. 2, 3
Okay.
questions I was able to do only.
Okay.
And politics part, some questions related to articles and all that I have learned, that I
Okay.
was able to solve.
Okay.
History part, I was able to solve. There were many questions that were in deep. I haven't studied for that.
Okay, okay. So let's start subject by subject, and we'll go a little bit. Since there are two subjects only, so let's start with English. So for English, you studied. First thing is your resources. What were your resources? One of them I heard is SP Bakshi. That is one of the resources for English. And second resource I would say is previous year questions. which you had.
So, and
Correct.
also like there were YouTube channels which gave some information about like error detection, how to identify,
Okay.
like they give some rules so that we
Okay.
have an idea where we lack. So I studied some rules from there. And for
Okay.
synonym, antonyms, and idiom phrases, I
Hmm.
have seen somewhere on YouTube, and from that I use that strategy only. Like
Okay.
in CGL, the level of questions is asked is really good for English and for other subject too.
Okay.
So there in video, once that person said that you should download. There is a website, I guess qmaths.com.
Okay.
From there, we can get all previous year questions of synonym, antonyms, and idiom and phrases that have been asked in CGL. So
Okay.
I have downloaded the PDF from there,
Okay.
and every day, like for 10 minutes or so, I studied through the words. When
Okay.
we studied, we are actually able to learn them. So because there is no strategy for synonym, antonyms, idiom, and phrases, there are
Hmm.
so many words, any word could be asked.
Hmm.
So have an idea about few words. I have
Hmm.
downloaded the PDF and daily I study through the PDF to get an idea. There are many
Okay.
words to.
So in English, so as per you, there are three sources, which three to four sources. One is SP Bakshi. One is you were saying previous year questions to practice. Third is some YouTube channels on which you got the, I would
Like
say, tips and tricks to
yes, sir.
solve error detection and all that rules and all. And fourth is that the PDF which you downloaded. Okay, that is for previous
Yes.
year's questions itself. That is asked in SSC CGL. So for this PDF, you divided it into some few that you will study for 15 minutes daily, and that is how you will cover it.
Yes, sir. It's like
That
we
is
just have to go through the words. We have to read them daily, so
uh,
we get to memorize them easily. Because many
mm.
words are repeated also, and there are many
Okay,
words which we already know also. So we get an idea through that.
okay. So this
Because
PDF is done.
yes, sir. Because we have to learn the words only for all. There is no other strategy. Because
Correct,
our vocab should be strong.
correct,
So
correct.
reading can.
Yeah, your last line you missed. There was some internet issue.
I said that only reading could help in this daily reading of new words and all.
Correct, correct. So for English, you did not go for newspaper, as lot of candidates or lot of aspirants say that newspaper reading is very important for serious exam.
Sir, I don't know it is important or not because I am not in the habit of reading newspaper at home. Like very
A lot
rarely
of
I do that.
aspirants are not. They don't like it. It's very boring to read the newspaper.
Thought sometimes like I should start for me. I don't think it has, I don't know about others, but it's not necessary like reading newspaper only would help. Because in
Okay.
English, like comprehension thing is there. There is
Hmm.
no special knowledge required in it. We have to just
Hmm.
understand the paragraph. It's quite easy. And then
Hmm.
active passive voice, these are also quite easy. I
Hmm.
don't think it's difficult that. And
Okay.
for error detection and all, we should once learn some rules for every
Okay.
part of speech, like for nouns, what
Okay.
things should be used and what are avoided. For
Okay.
verbs, we should just prepare rules for all these eight parts of speech, verbs, nouns, adjectives,
Okay.
and all. That
Okay.
would help. Otherwise, synonym antonyms only I earlier told that only reading could help that. So
Reading
there
could
is
help.
nothing
Okay.
like we should read some paper and all every day.
Okay. That is not required. Without reading newspaper also you can clear. So a lot of aspirants would be happy now that we can clear without reading the newspaper also. So when
Because
you
the
were
I experienced that
uh,
English was very basic. Matlab,
correct.
I was being afraid earlier for attempting the exam that
Okay.
how would the level of paper be. But after giving the exam, I was quite relaxed. I was feeling like that if it does not get cleared this time, I would definitely do it for next time because the level
Got
was
it.
not much tough
Got
and
it.
I have not prepared for GK this time. So I was thinking if next time I prepare fully, I would have cleared that exam.
Got it. Got it. Got it. So
I was
after
thinking that.
giving the exam, you came to know that English level of English is not very tough. It is manageable. And next
Yes.
time, if you are not able to clear this time, so you will focus more on GK next time, and you will be surely clearing it. That's what the strategy came in your mind.
Yes.
Okay. So for English, I just want to dig out when you were seeing the rules on YouTube channel or when you are reading these words from PDF. So are you also making your own notes or writing out somewhere like, or you are like just reading from the PDF and just remembering in your head, or is there a pen and paper used, like how you are doing it?
So for the For the rules part, I have written down some of them so that when I have to revise, I don't have to go through the video. It
Correct.
takes long time, so I have prepared my own notes so that
Correct.
I can study it at last also. But for that synonym antonym things, I have just read through the PDF. I am
Okay.
not making notes for that.
Okay. And this PDF, you completed the whole PDF which they give, like all the previous questions they have completed. Like how many times you completed once, or like you had revision for that also?
Sir, for that PDF.
Yes, for PDF, that idioms and synonyms and antonyms and all that.
Sir, I do it on daily basis actually,
Okay.
like reading through it because there are many words. In one day, I not read 20-30 words so that I can remember them. The next day also 20-30 words. There were many hundreds of words previously asked.
Correct.
Last 10 years.
Correct. So what I'm asking is like, since you're taking 20-30 words, so today you have read 20-30 words, but after 1 week, 2 week, after 1 month, you will forget all those words. So were you like going back and checking those words again, or like how you were doing it?
Yes, sir. Once, like at the end of week, I have revised all the words that I have done in this week. So I revised
weekly revision you were doing for that period. Okay. Yes, so the only part now which is remaining for English is, I think we have covered all the things. The only part is remaining is that passage which comes, comprehension passage. So any particular strategy for that, or that can be solved easily, that we don't have?
I don't have any strategy for that. Like I leave these topics in English because these don't require any practice. Just the speed should be maintained. Otherwise, I don't think that any practice is needed in solving the passages. It's quite easy.
Correct. So if you are good in English and if you are able to read it fast and get the meaning of it, I think you will be able to solve the questions.
Yes, sir. And sir, for idiom and phrases too, I think like sometimes they have given the options out of 4 options. 2 are like we can read and directly figure out that
these 2 can never be the answers.
Like that. Yes, sir. So it's not that much tough for idiom and phrases. Like there is I think a idiom, pouring of dogs and cats, something like that. So they directly the meaning like dogs and cats are
raining like cats and dogs. It's like that.
Yes.
Raining. It means it's heavily raining. Water is pouring like cats and dogs, like that. Yes.
So directly, like they give options that it's cats and dogs are raining. Like they give the literal meaning of that.
Correct.
So that you can figure out that these must be the options. So it's not that difficult also to attempt idiom phrases.
Okay. So this is a
very obvious. Like,
correct. So this is a very, I would say, observational part, that even if you have, for example, some candidates has missed out idioms and phrases, so at least he should go and read in the question paper and he should try to attempt. A lot of times you might be able to get the answer because of the 3 or 2 wrong options which they have given. So at least they should attempt at least.
And many times the words only we get to figure out that what could be the meaning by reading the full sentence and looking at the options. Fully, then we can figure out like what the options by eliminating the other options. So it is easy. We must give a try. We should not leave it. I have seen through all the questions, and I have tried to attempt almost every questions, like which even if it was doubtful, then I have attempted them through eliminating the options.
Got it.
And it got correct.
Okay. So we will come in the end, like how did you attempt the paper. Now let's go with the GK part. Now English is over. I think we have discussed in detail. So how the GK started, and as you told me before that you have started reading GK for AFCAT, and basically that is what helped you in for CDS. But you knew beforehand that AFCAT GK and CDS GK are 2 very different things. The questions, type of questions are very different. So like you did not prepare itself for CDS GK, or it was just the whole of AFCAT GK preparation which you prepared and you took it into your CDS exam, like that?
Yes, sir. Initially, like I have prepared the GK for AFCAT fully, like geography, history, and politics part. Economy is not there in AFCAT, so I haven't prepared for that. So, and by studying for AFCAT, I started solving questions for CDS. It was not like I was not even able to solve any question. It helped me through because in politics only they asked for constitutional articles and all the concept behind that and how the constitution was made. Few questions are similar in AFCAT and CDS, the concept. So I was able to solve related to articles and all if I have learned all the articles properly. So in politics that helped. And for geography, for F2, I have prepared it for UPSC CSC level. Like I was not
Acha,
able to
okay.
find a proper channel which taught geography very well. So on
Okay.
Wi-Fi study was Sumit sir. I have studied geography from there only, and he was teaching for UPSC CSC level.
So
But he teaches
that's why your geography became very strong, because that's why
yes,
you were able to, because you focused a lot on geography.
yes sir. Because sir, it's not like I felt that it's very tough level. Sir taught very easily. He is very
Hmm.
good at geography. He started from
Hmm.
very basic
Hmm.
and till last he taught very easily. I don't even feel like I'm studying for UPSC CSC. It
Okay.
was normal level I thought. So that helped me somewhat in CDS section for geography.
So,
And
I
rest,
mean, did you divide this? Did you divide this GK section preparation into like geography, history, and like quality? You divided it like, okay, so today I am doing geography, and this will be history.
and all like first I started for there are like playlist on YouTube as I studied from YouTube. So
Hmm.
like for history there are 46 video or something. So I first decided that I will complete history. So I
Okay.
watched all the videos of history, makes all the notes in my notebook. Then
Okay.
when history was
You made
completed,
short
first
notes
I
out of that videos. You made short notes
yes
out
sir.
of that. Okay.
So
Okay.
then after making notes and completing full history playlist, I started solving the questions like previous year FCAT questions to know that is it helpful or I am able to solve the questions or not.
Okay.
So then I started the second part like geography. Then the same for geography. Then after completing it, I started for politics. Then I solved the questions to know where I'm lacking and all.
Okay. Good. What all books did you any books you referred for GK, or did it like you started reading it and you did not find it useful or like anything? Because most of the preparation seems for GK to be from the YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. I have done everything from YouTube only. For
Mostly.
CDS and FCAT both, I have bought the previous year questions books. So to
Okay.
get an idea that studying from YouTube, am I able to solve the questions? I just have bought the previous year books. SP Bakshi just I bought for English. No other
Okay.
books I have used for the preparation.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
from now GK, I think history, geography you did, and you told about history, geography, and so. And for science, I think you told you brushed up since you're a science student, so you brushed up your knowledge. From where did you brush up that? From where did you read your science part, general science part for serious?
So that I just studied like it was a one shot video, like full
Okay.
GS covered in one video only. And at the
Acha.
end, because I was quite confident that my science part is strong, because they
Okay.
don't ask too much deep questions because every aspirant gives CDS and all. So it's not
Right.
like they ask into too deep. It's
Right.
normal level of questions, basic that he see things in our daily life. That kind of
Okay.
questions were there. So I was
Correct.
able to solve that.
Okay. Now I
Yes,
think
sir.
we have covered most of the GK part. Now come to the current affairs part, which you read from this one GK, and you attempted, I think, good questions from current affairs part in the serious GK. So, what was the strategy for this current affairs?
And sir, in current affairs too, like I'm not in the habit of reading newspaper.
Correct.
I don't like to watch news and all much because I don't find the current affairs are available in news.
Correct.
The news is all about politics and all things. I don't find it fruitful for studying for my current affair. So I just study it like at the end, like last 6 months current affairs videos, and like that I have prepared for that.
Last six
At the
months.
end, I have divided it in sections.
Okay.
Yes, sir. For current affairs also, I have divided it in sections. Like I have studied at the end like sports current affairs differently, so that there is all current affairs updated about sports. And for defense current affairs, there was separate section, so I have prepared for that separately.
Okay.
And miscellaneous awards and honors like this through I have divided it throughout.
So how much current affairs did we read? Last 6 months from the exam. So approximately you started from September current affairs, September, October, November, December, January, February, or August, like that. Okay. So from where did you download any PDF from any website, or you visited a YouTube channel?
I have watched it on YouTube only. I have prepared it from there was channel Insight SSB. I studied from there. They provide like last minute revision capsule for GK and all, and it's very fruitful. Many questions come from that only. Like they have themselves divided the videos into like sports, current affairs for last minute revision,
So,
defense
so this
current
is
affairs from.
this is for the last minute. But I'm asking when you started reading the current affairs. So, I mean, you prepared current affairs in the last time itself, in the last when the exam is coming like that, or like you started before itself. That's what I'm asking.
No, I prepare it in the end only, like
In
1
the
or
end
2
only.
months before the exam. That
Okay.
only.
Okay. And
Because
you,
I am not able to remember every current affairs. There are many current affairs daily. How will I
correct.
do it? So I am not able to do current affairs. So I
And
just prepare it.
you made notes also out of it.
No, sir, because at last I only prepared 2 videos. So I don't make any notes and all for that.
So overall, like your English and GK, I think strategy is good, and I think we have discussed in a lot of detail that how do you prepare. So now let's come to the exam day when you reach the exam day, or let's come one day before that. So you have prepared a lot of notes, and you have prepared, you have seen a lot of videos from these 3 to 4 month preparation. So what did you do on the last day or last week? Like what was your revision strategy, or did you do any revision or something like
Yes, sir. Sir, at the last days, I have not prepared for any other subject, only for the current affair parts, because I have not prepared it before. I just saw the videos at the end for the current affairs only. Otherwise, I have not prepared anything else at the last moment. Earlier, 2-3 days before the exam, till that, then I have finished all the revision. And for last days, I just only go through the videos of current affairs.
Okay, okay. So the notes which you prepared for that antonyms, synonyms, idioms, and phrases, that did you revise that in the last week? Like that, you went through your own notes, error detection, and all that you have made like that.
Yes, sir. Like I have done like this, like the strong part about which I was sure about. I have left that a few days before the exam. Like it's completed now. I don't have to pick it up again. Like it was GS part. I have left that its revision is completed now. I don't have to prepare again.
Okay.
And for English also, for rest of the parts, I haven't revised. Only for the synonym, antonym part and idiom and phrases, I just looked through 1 week before also.
Okay, okay. Okay, so now coming to the exam day. So, the first exam is English. Okay, so the English paper comes and there are 120 questions in that, like 100 to 120 questions. So, the time allotted is 2 hours. So, any strategy you made beforehand? I start with this section, or you started from question number 1 itself?
No, sir, I started from first question only. First, before starting the question paper, I go through it once, and I found that the paper was quite easy. It was not difficult, so I gained confidence, and I was very happy to see like English section is easy. I could attempt almost all questions, so I just started from the first question itself.
Okay, so you started from the first question and you went through till the end like that. And did you come back to any other questions like that? You had any strategy that okay, isko baad mein dekhenge, we'll see it afterwards like that?
Yes, sir. Like there were 2-3 questions in which I was doubtful. So I left them for at the end that I will try to solve if I am able to do that question. And at the end, so that I attempted at last.
Okay, so how approximately you remember how many questions you attempted in English?
Sir, I guess except 2-3 questions, I have attempted all other.
Okay,
and mostly they were correct because and mostly they were correct because I have cross-checked also. 2-3 I have done wrong also there, but mostly they were correct.
Okay, so I think English made you sail through that exam mostly because you have attempted all and mostly everything seems to be correct. Okay, so now coming to the GK part. So you remember how many questions you attempted in GK, because in CDS we have sectional cutoff also, so you have to clear that sectional thing also.
Yes, sir, that's what I was afraid of because it has sectional cutoff. And when I saw the GK paper, I haven't prepared for GK very well. So I was afraid like there were economics question. Then I remembered that I prepared for FCAT and there was no economics in this. And I forgot there is a subject for economics also. So I saw that many questions were there from economics. So I was not able to attempt that question. Only 2-3 of them I could attempt from my previous knowledge that I have studied till 10th in my social studies. And for current affairs part, I was able to solve. So first in GK part, I chose that question that I was confident about, that I knew, like the GS part.
So in GK
I
part,
attempted.
so in GK, I would say you did not started with question number 1. You looked for the questions which you know, that like that.
So I started with GS part, and I was able to solve most of the questions from GS part. So I attempted that, and then I for current affairs. Then a little bit like economics question, I was able to solve 2-3 of them.
Okay.
And then for geography part and politics part, history I was not able to attempt. There were not many questions from history. There were 3-4 only, and that was from very deep part, and I haven't studied, so I didn't attempt history questions.
चलो ठीक है. So approximately how many questions did you attempted in GK? The total number of questions, remember? Approximately 40, 30, 30, 40 attempted like that, or more than that?
Sir, it would be like this only, because 10 almost I have left for economics only.
And history also you left.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm assuming 30, in between 30 to 40 you attempted. Short questions basically.
Like which I was confident about that they would be correct.
Okay. Now, one important question is, like, did you give any practice test, the whole practice test, or any mock test before going to any exam, before going to that CDS exam? The full mock practice test or section mock test like that? जैसे या तो वेबसाइट पे जाके और like घर में time लगा के, you know, we give that paper like that within the time frame like that.
Sir, attempted any such mock test because frankly speaking, I am such a student, like when I feel so much of burden, I get panic. Like if I do all this mock test at home by setting the timer, my confidence loses. Like I feel I'm not able to solve. I have seen it anytime whenever I open any exams. Like when I solve the paper that time only at the exam center, then only I am able to give my 100%. Before I have prepared at home, like setting the timer and all, my confidence loses. So I never saw any mock test and all.
चलो ठीक है. So एक बहुत important question आता है जो मेरे पास मतलब इतना ज़्यादा आता है कि how many hours per day the toppers are studying? How many hours per day did you study, or did you had any timetable कि नहीं आज तो मेरे को 5 hours पढ़ना ही कुछ नहीं, like that? You had anything in your mind? Yeah, you had targets like that, weekly targets, week number?
Sir, actually that time when I was preparing, I have to study for my college too. So I have divided, like in the daytime, I have my online classes also. So in the daytime, I was not able to study for these exams. So in the daytime, I have kept for my college studies. And in the night time, after 7 o'clock, after doing all my other routines, after 7 o'clock, I sit for studying for these FCAT and CDS exams. Until 12, I normally sleep till 12 o'clock. So till then, by taking breaks in between, because normally YouTube videos are 30 minutes, and watching a proper list on 5-4 videos are covered till then. Then I have to prepare notes also. So I study till 7 to 12, we can say, at night only.
So 7 to 12 with breaks like that?
Someday. What, sir?
7 to 12 with breaks, I would say. 7 to 12 you were studying with breaks, like taking small breaks in between, like एक video खत्म हुआ, then you are taking some break and you're starting the other video, like that, correct, I guess?
Yes, sir. And that too, as I have already told, like I had decided, like if I have to cover history first, then till then my playlist is not completed. I studied history only daily and make notes. Then I studied geography, completed geography fully. Then politics and maths I have done at the end, so that I remember all the concept, because I was weak at maths for FCAT part. Like I studied maths for.
Okay, so you so you picked up the history, completed it, and then put it aside. Picked up the geography, completed it, and put it aside. So you gave time like that.
Yes, sir. Because I am good at memorizing things. Geography, if I have completed it once, I don't need to do it again and again. I just once completed it and solved all the previous year questions related to that. Then only at the end, once I go through my notes. So I keep solving part for the end only, so that I could do more practice. And learning part, I have already covered.
7 to 12 you were studying, and you were taking some breaks in between. That was the thing which you were discussing. So the other part is, so if I summarize your preparation, you focused on English more than GK. And in
Yes, sir.
English also, you practiced things which you thought that these needs practice, because your comprehension and all you did not practice. You thought that okay, this can be done, and it was good for you also. In GK, you picked up a subject and you completed that playlist from a YouTube channel, whatever you were referring to, and then you completed that, and then you picked up the other subject like that.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And you did not give any mock test because it brought down your confidence. So that was
Yes, sir.
like that. Okay. So when, like, after giving that exam on that exam day, so you gave English, that also we have discussed, like how you attempted that English exam, and how you attempted that GK exam. So after giving that exam, how you were feeling? Like, will you be able to clear that CDS? You had that feeling in your mind?
No, I told that because my GK part was not good, so I was expecting that I will be able to clear it as it has sectional cutoff also.
Okay.
So I was not expecting that I will clear like but when I just like 20%, I was expecting clear it because I have attempted I could clear 20% minimum cutoff sectional one.
Okay. Okay.
So, but when my FCAT result was now, I was not able to clear FCAT in my first attempt. So much afraid to that now CDS was not that much good. So then there's no chance that CDS will get cleared. But it got cleared.
I think there is, yeah, now I can see you. Okay, there was some technical issue. Anyway, I was able to hear you. I heard. Okay, so after, like, your CDS result came now, OTA SSB is generally, it comes very late. So what is your plan now?
Yes,
Like,
in
what,
October.
how in October? Yeah, SSB comes very late. So what is your plan now? Are you preparing for FCAT, FCAT 2021? Are you preparing for that exam, or like you're preparing for SSB? What is your plan?
No, sir, right now I am preparing for like FCAT or bank exams also.
Okay. Okay.
First, I will like study 2 months something.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Because I will be needing guidance also because it's my first attempt. I really don't once there. So I
Correct.
has talked to family. They have said that they will help me in this. Like there is one person they know about him that who gives all details about SSP and all. So he will explain me all those things. Like so
Correct.
to get an idea, I will meet someone and rest other for practice. See only through YouTube and all because offline coaching is still in my area during this COVID time.
Okay.
So I have to prepare online only.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 So, one last question would be, like, a lot of girls like you are going to attempt this CDS 2020. So, what would be your message to them? Ki, since you have a lot of time now for CDS preparation. Okay, so if they are willing to give
Yes,
CDS
sir.
and FCAT, so what should be your message to them, that if we have not cleared, so what should they do? To anyone who is attempting for the first time, what how they should start and what should they do? Like, your message, your advice to them.
Okay. Sir, I would say that we should start in a planned manner first. Me, it worked that I have selected the subject first, that which are my and which are my strengths. So that I covered my strong subjects early, so that I don't have to pick them up again. That I prepared it fully, like I don't need any further revision, too much revision. Like I revised it at once, but not so much revision required for the subjects I am strong at.
Okay.
And they should prepare those subjects in which they are strong with
Okay.
full preparation so that they can at least those questions and most of the questions from that part.
Okay.
Part they should give time at the end so that the burden is not too much to prepare for that part also, so that you get left to focus which you are weak. So only give your time to that weak subject of yours. And also I would like to say like that I have not prepared for GK this time, but then also I was there So it's not like, because for CDS GK I have seen many YouTube channels and all, they refer many huge for that, and that to have so much content and waste not a good idea for me personally, if I say. So you they can prepare for like GK part things that are general, like the GS part, current affairs, and for politics they can prepare for the articles and all. Normally, having good knowledge of the all the articles and all the events that had happened in law, making of constitution, other things, that would part also. Geography basic knowledge one should have, like about vegetative reforms and all, and like they world geography and Indian geography separately. Like capitals are asked times, or anything that has been recently in news regarding geography. These type of things, even more, rather than history. That's a subject that I feel it's in asked in too much deep things, and it is very difficult to remember all those things. So I don't do history. Politics and that part that could be solved basic concepts, they should focus more on that. As I said, on English part, because it is for English there. If they are able to solve most of the English questions, then they would help in scoring good marks.
Okay, so English,
So the strategy.
yeah, English is a scoring part. So if you're good in English, you can score maximum marks in English. Then in GK, whatever general knowledge you have studied, like general things you have studied for the GK subject, that you can sail through with your that. I would say.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because that time I don't have time to. So till now, what I have experienced is like, if I don't prepare for GK, not like I have not prepared fully for the GK part, so I could still attempt those questions with my basic knowledge that I have studied for FCAT and the things that I have studied till my 12th class and all. So that helped me. So if now they have time, they should prepare. I'm not saying like they should not pay attention, but not necessary, but that only focusing on GK part because it's asked in too deep. The concepts are so many. So not to waste time only on one section. Prepare everything as a whole.
Okay.
English and
okay. Chalo, theek hai.
So for books part also, I would say that there is nothing like books helps a lot. They just give us an idea. Like I only have the previous year books for both FCAT and CDS. I don't have any other book to prepare for GK and all, because I fully prepare from YouTube only. YouTube help. There is no offline coaching available also here in my area. So I relied on YouTube, helped me a lot by first learning all those things and then attempting questions to know that is that helping you or not. First they should try this if it worked for them, because it worked for me. Yes, sir.
Okay. So like overall, when we were discussing, I was asking you to have a discussion with you and sharing your strategy. That time you were saying that you did not have any strategy, but after the discussion, we came to know that okay, see every person, sometimes we feel that we did not. This is a normal thing. Every aspirant would do think like that, but a lot of times. Yeah, a lot of times what happens is we don't know that we are following some strategy. Okay, so that is a good thing, and I hope this discussion will help other aspirants who were confused, like how to, especially for the GK part, how to go with that part, and especially for the girls, because they don't have mathematics, so they have to focus on English and GK only. And I have seen a lot of female candidates who keep on studying GK for 9 months. Okay, and they don't focus on English, and then after that they are not able to clear that CDS exam.
So that's what I have experienced. Like I have started for preparation for CDS GK, but I thought that I was not able to solve questions after studying for that GK part, because I was not able to find properly for GK for CDS part. Watching those videos, I was not able to solve the question. So I thought I was just wasting time on these. So I stopped preparing for that GK part.
Correct.
So I
and that should be the strategy.
Proper source. So
Correct. And that should be a strategy. Whenever we first start preparing for the exam, and after some time, we should analyze also that whether it is working for us or not, and then we should change the strategy also, as you did. Correct. Chalo, theek hai, Chitra. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and it was lovely talking to you. You explained very well, and I hope it will help a lot of aspirants. Like, how did you like the session? And we had a discussion. So, do you think this will be fruitful? And I mean, just give your feedback about the session. Anything we missed out, or anything you want to just mention?
Yes, sir. Yes, it was a really good session. Like earlier, I was hesitating. Like, what would I say? I was feeling like I don't have any strategy. What would I answer when you will ask me what was your strategy and all? But talking to you, I gained realized that it was actually a strategy that I prepared for that exam.
Mhm.
So it was a good session, and I feel confident after sharing my views here.
Great, great. So thank you, Chitra. Thank you so much. And there is some internet issue, I think. Your video is still not moving, but anything, I hope you are able to hear me here. And it was really lovely talking to you, Chitra. Thank you so much.
Same here, sir.
Thank
Thank you so
you.
much.
Bye bye.